Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tom here. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below, request any videos you want me to do. Hit that notification bell, ding, that way you know I'm on. Really enjoying all these new videos I'm doing. Today we're going to do Volbeat. Now, I've done them before. The Shotgun Blues. They started in 2001. They're from Denmark. Rob Caggiano is the lead guitarist. There's Michael Poulsen, John Larson, Jon. My son's Jon, but John, I would assume. Casper Boyle Larson. Rob was with Anthrax and Boiler Room. He was born in November 7th, 1976 in New York City. I got a friend up in Denmark, Jeff Carson. If anyone from Denmark's watching and would know him, tell him to give me a buzz or somehow get a hold of me. Okay, here we go, Volbeat. I love them. They're good. I love the pace, guitars. He's got a good voice too. Just super. I really enjoy them.
Was
Fantastic, fantastic. They're great. I liked the video too. That was kind of wild. But Volbeat, Shotgun Blues. They're really good, really good. I like them. We'll do some more of them, hopefully. But like I said, they're from Denmark, and I have a friend over there. So he just packed up and left and met a girl online over there and moved. Haven't seen him probably 20, 25 years at least. So, well, now it's time for
Tom's Worthless Facts.
Since Rob Gaggiano was born in 1976, we're going to do that year. So, the Pink Panther Strikes Again movie, anything with Peter Sellers, all those Inspector Clouseau movies were just great. I enjoyed them. Taxi Driver, Robert De Niro, he was fabulous in that. That was really something for 1976. Pitt football player Tony Dorsett won the Heisman right here in Pittsburgh. A plane crash landed into the Baltimore Municipal Stadium right after the Steelers beat the Colts in a playoff game. If it would have been half hour earlier, or maybe even 15 minutes, there would have been a lot of people killed. I think the pilot was arrested because I think he tried to do it on purpose. The Space Shuttle Enterprise was unveiled. Barbara Walters was the first female anchor, maybe not locally, but nationally anyway. I know Harry Reasoner was furious. I think she made $1 million a year. He did not take well to her being there. Frampton Comes Alive, that was the big album. Peter Frampton was huge. Stretch Armstrong, the toy, pull all his limbs and stretch them back. And lastly, me. I was a senior baseball player in high school. Those were good days. Those were good days. Well, 1976 that was. So, as my father always said, hang in there tough, be major league. Till next time. Thanks.